Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Mukesh Gandhi. In this video, I am going to show you how to extend sales campaign in Oracle Fusion application. So let's move on to the application. So this is the homepage of the application. Click on the navigator. Click on sales. So you can see there is no any option related to sales campaign. So first we have to enable it in the navigator bar and in the Spring mode. After that, using the application composer, we can extend the sales campaign. So let's first we create a sandbox for this process. So in the configuration, click on sandboxes. Click on this create sandbox. Enter the name of this sandbox. And select tool. So I'm going to select structure. Using the structure, we can enable the sales campaign option in the navigator bar and in the springboard. And using the application composer, we can enable to add the field in the detail page layout, in the landing page layout, and in the creation page layout. So I'm going to select both structure as well as application composer. Click on this, create and enter. So you can see the BISP sandbox get created and the active sandbox are visible above the vision. This is the active sandbox and this is the tool which we select in the sandbox. We can add more tools by clicking this add more button. Now click on this navigator. Scroll down in the configuration part. First click on this structure. So in the structure, we can navigate the configuration of this sales application. So click on this cells, expand it, and go to the sales campaign. We can see over here there is no enable, there is nothing enable of sales campaign in navigator as well as in springboard. Both are disabled. So click on that. We have a tab of page and tab. So ensure that we are on page tab and go on the show on navigator. Right now, the value of this navigator, show on navigator is no. So change it to the yes and also change it show on springboard to yes and click on save and close. Now you can see in the sales campaign, both are enabled in the navigator as well as in the springboard. Let's see. Click on this navigator. Click on the cells, and this is the sales campaign enabled on this. Click on this home button. And this is the sales campaign on the springboard. It is also enabled on the springboard. Now let's click on that. Let's see the options in the create campaign. So click on this create campaign, and this is the select contact page. So you cannot add any field in this contact page as well as in the design email. You can enable field in the wrap up page. So in this page you can enable the field like status, nice active. So we can enable active option over here on this page detail, campaign detail page. So let's see how it work. Cancel it. Click on this navigator. Scroll down, go to the configuration part and click on this application composer. So using the application composer, you can add the custom field, you can add the predefined field, enable it on the create page layout, on the landing page layout, or in the detail page layout. So this is the application composer page. So let's expand the standard object. So click on that. So we are going to enable field in the sales campaign. So we have to go on the sales campaign part. So this is the sales campaign. Expand it. Click on pages. We can add custom field using this field option. So ensure that we are on the application page. So we can enable the field in the landing page layout, in the creation page layout, and in the detail page layout. So I'm going to enable in the create page layout. So first we select the standard layout and click on this duplicate creation page layout. Let's give the name of this layout. So I'm going to enter BISP campaign extend. Click on save and edit. So this is the creation page layout. You can see over here, we have only one option, that is sales campaign wrap up, where you can edit the field, where we can add the field. So click on this wrap up edit button and select the field from the available fields and move it to the selected field. So I'm going to select active and move to the selected field. C. Save and close. Done. Let's see the changes in the sales part. Click on this sales campaign. Click on this create button and go to the wrap up part. See, the active option gets displayed over here. So this is how you can extend the sales campaign in Oracle Fusion application. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.